Hi guys, it's Moz here. Happy Christmas. I hope you've had a brilliant time over the festive period. I'm coming to you today with another deal that I found on Airfix. I think it was only launched yesterday. But yeah, this is a deal that's looking pretty good to me. Basically, the history of Airfix is that they've always had a V-bomber in their range, and this year is the first time they have had all three V-bombers in their range. And there was some call, I should say, or some suggestion of bringing all three V-bombers into one box set. But, you know, if you think about it, that's going to be one big box. Secondly, it's going to be quite expensive to do that. And thirdly, I don't think people would necessarily buy it as one big kit. But I think they've compromised here, and what they've done is they've actually created a bundle in their winter outlet sale. So let's have a look on their website. So you go on the website, look at bundles, and this is the one that caught my eye. It's the Airfix V-Bomber bundle, and the RRP is £199.97. That's because you've got the Avril Vulcan, which is £72.49. You have the Handley Page Victor, which is also £72.49. And you've got the Valiant at £54.99. But they're offering 50 quid off this deal. So you can buy it for £149.99. And come in the post. It comes with free postage, I believe, because you've gone over that certain amount that they give free postage for. And if you are an Airfix Club member, get yourself another 10% off, and that will bring it down to £134.99. What a bargain, eh? £134.99 for three kits, three V-bombers. Brilliant. Unfortunately, I won't be buying this because I do have the Vulcan already in my stash, and I do have the Handley Page Victor also in my stash too. The only one I really need is the Valiant, and I'm tempted to order it, to be fair. So that was the deal of the day from me. But also there's a bit of a message here to everyone who supported me this year on this channel. Thank you. My first thanks go to all of the channel members who have signed up to the channel membership by selecting join below. Membership start from $1.99. Thank you for supporting me in 2022, and hopefully you'll be continuing to support me in 2023. To the subscribers who have click that thumbs up and click that bell to be notified when I release a new video. Thank you for being here with me too. I hope you've enjoyed the content I've been giving out, and hopefully we'll be back again in 2023 with more good content. Again, I can't thank you enough, all of you, for subscribing to me. I'm on to 16,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd even reach 5,000 2 years ago, but yeah, the channel is growing. I've been blessed by the invitations by Airfix this year, going to the Creator Day, going to the Spitfire launch day, and also the Spitfire day that they had in Duxford at the beginning of the year. All these videos are available on this channel. I'll link them below. But obviously, again, thank you so much for being there. It's really good. The Airfix and chills each evening on a Monday night have been fantastic. Getting some really good engagement from you guys. We cannot do these channels without your help, and to continue that, we ask you to continue to watch the videos and keep commenting and liking the videos too. It really does help. Again, thank you so much. I hope you've had a fantastic Christmas, and I wish for you all to have a most excellent New Year. God bless you, and I'll see you in 2023.